Today we have the Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G, and we're going to go ahead and I will show you how you can change your SIM pin. Maybe you still use the SIM pin you got when you got your SIM card. Maybe you have a complicated SIM pin, can't remember it, or maybe someone watched you while you put in your SIM pin and you now want to change it for safety reasons. In any of that cases, or you just want to change it, you need to go to your settings. We want to scroll all the way down to security and privacy. Here we want to go to other security settings, and now we want to set up SIM card lock. Now we want to go to change SIM or card pin, and now we need to enter our current SIM pin, which is 1234. Done. Okay, and now we need to enter a new SIM pin. 4 times 0. Okay, and re-enter it. Alright, SIM pin changed successfully. So now if you have to restart your tablet or put your SIM card in another device, you need to enter your new SIM pin. Keep in mind 1234, 4 times 0, stuff like that are just not the most secure options. You want to be a bit more creative here, that you actually create a safe pin for your device. So that's how you can change your SIM pin on your Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.